Working together and keeping contractors going the last 2 years has been challenging. Our reps with Unilock have been nothing but helpful in every situation.
Pre-COVID, it was a different world, and now that we're going into 2023, it's more problem solving than it's ever been.
Very thankful to have great reps in our area to help us not only grow our business, but grow our contractors' business. That's the most important part.
We used to be able to get supplies. Customer would call up any given manufacturer. We would be able to supply that in a couple days. As we all know, it's different now. So a great territory manager, if they don't have a certain line, they can pivot and show the customer something very comparable, which will help that customer get to the end result and help the contractor and all of us with the job.
Sometimes we run into a question that we might not have the answer for the particular product. And we make that phone call and our rep answers the phone and they can give us that answer, and we could then turn around and within 10 minutes either call the customer back or send an email with all those answers to the questions they had. That's what really sets us apart and sets that manager apart for being a support to us as the dealer.
It's a lot of fun when guys are having fun installing products and the rep's there to give them a high five. It's a nice touch when a company has someone come in and really let these guys know how much they appreciate them spending money with them and putting trust in their products with them.